need a tape, scale, stick, straw, syringe, marker, salt, sand and water. First of all, we will remove the plunger from the stick. Now we will add some sand into this syringe to give some weight. Now this is ready. Now we will cover this with a tape to seal it, this portion. Now this is ready. Now we will take this stick and put this needle into the stick. Now this is ready. Now we will cover this straw in this to cover the stick. Now we will add this in this water solution to test. So now we will measure this with scale. This is on the tip of that syringe. This was here on the. Now we'll add salt to this. Now our salt solution is ready. Now we'll add this syringe to this salt solution. Now we'll measure this with stick. We'll compare these two markers. This was of water and this was of salt. So if we will measure this, it is coming as 2 centimeter. That means the concentration of salt in this was 2 centimeter, and we can take it by percentage also. So this is the role of hydrometer, which is used to measure the concentration of any solute in a solution. Like this, we have measured the solution concentration of salt in the solution of water. In the same way, we can do this for any type of solute.